Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Payoneer account verification pending. Quick fix step-by-step clearly. Open your Payoneer app or go to Payoneer.com and sign into your account. Click Settings and then select Verification Center or Profile Verification. Read the exact message that says what is pending, such as ID, address, or business details. Check your email inbox and spam folder for any Payoneer request or rejection notice. Make sure your first name and last name exactly match your government ID letter by letter. Verify your date of birth and country are correct and match your ID details. Go to Profile and confirm your phone number is verified with the correct country code. Prepare a valid government ID such as passport, national ID, or driver's license. Take a new photo or scan of the ID in color with all four corners visible. Ensure the ID image is sharp, not blurry, and the text is readable when zoomed in. Confirm the ID is not expired and the document type is supported in your country. If Payoneer asks for a selfie, take it in good light with no hat, no sunglasses, and a neutral background. For address verification, prepare a utility bill or bank statement issued within the last 3 months. Make sure the address document shows your full name and full address clearly on one page. Do not crop key parts like the issue date, logo, or your name and address. If your address document is in another language, use an official statement version if available. Return to Verification Center and click Submit or Update for the requested document. Upload the correct file format, such as JPG, PNG, or PDF, and keep the file size within limits. Double-check you selected the correct document category before submitting. Avoid submitting multiple times quickly because it can reset the review queue. Wait for the confirmation message that your documents were successfully uploaded. Track the status in the Verification Center and note the estimated review time shown there. If it stays pending longer than the estimated time, open the Help Center inside your account. Create a support ticket and include your account email, the pending message, and the upload date. Attach the same documents again only if support specifically asks you to resend them. If your account is a business account, confirm company name, registration number, and beneficiary details match documents. Check that your payment method and bank account name match your Payoneer profile name. Log out and log back in. Then refresh the Verification Center to ensure the status is updated correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.